Late season boost for California's snowpack. The Department of Water Resources went to Phillips Station in El Dorado County today for the latest snow survey. They found the snowpack there measuring about 70% of average for this time of year. Statewide, it's slightly better, 90% of average. The rebound is thanks to the storms we saw just over the past few weeks.
And we know future years won't all unfold like this one has. And in addition, we know that floods and droughts can happen at any time. It is the California way of life to expect that.
Yeah, we certainly needed that wet weather as we go into the dry season. April measurement considered the peak for the snowpack as temperatures start to warm up.
It's a nice backdrop there when it comes to rain and snow. There's no way we're done. No way.
No way.
Bring
I
it
knew
back,
something
right?
was coming.
Right,
No way we're
exactly.
done.
The people that love to go up there in the spring skiing, it's going to be great for them, right?
Yeah, I think so. We're going to add on some more of that snow Sunday, Monday, a little bit on Tuesday this week, and then we'll show you a little bit about Wednesday's storm. Yesterday we were talking about Wednesday's storm. We had that first alert action day with the atmospheric river situation. Now here's the thing. It's canceled. The first alert action day for next Wednesday is canceled. We're following the trends over the last few days, right? And we can't go back and forth with those forecasts. We look at trends, and yesterday we were seeing that the storm system out over the Pacific. I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, this is going into middle of next week. We're looking at this to be a potential high-impact storm across parts of northern California with lots of rain and heavy snow for this year. But the timing's not going to line up the best to get this going, right? This is Wednesday. Notice all that moisture in green, right? That's part of the atmospheric river. It's still going to be there. It's just not going to be positioned over us here in northern California. The storm system's a little bit on the weaker side, positioned further west, so it's not going to pull up that moisture as we have been seeing over the last few days. So therefore, the rain chances for next Wednesday, much less and much lower for impact. So therefore, no first alert action day needed at this point next Wednesday. We'll continue to watch those trends, though, as we get over the next few days. That said, as we move through this weekend, we will see a storm system provide rain and sea or snow to the forecast from Sunday, Monday, even into Tuesday, and some lingering activity going into Wednesday, Thursday, with some pieces of energy rolling through. So as we get into the weekend, we're going to start off tomorrow with clear skies, a bit of a cool start tomorrow, but as we get toward the afternoon hours, look at the clouds increasing through the day. Tomorrow's dry. Now this is 6 o'clock Sunday morning, and notice the rainfall continuing to increase across the valley and our foothill communities. Whereas you get up into the Sierra Sunday afternoon, we start to see more of that snow coming down, and it'll be on and off in terms of its coverage and its snowfall rate. So we will see accumulating snow in the Sierra Sunday and again on Monday. That'll slow down travel, lead to some tricky conditions getting up over the passes from time to time. But in terms of the impacts of the valley, not looking at too much of a big deal outside of some of the wet roadways that we could see Sunday and Monday. All right, forecast tonight, a bit chilly, lower 40s across the valley, teens and 20s tonight in the Sierra, and then tomorrow, before the clouds increase, those temperatures will start to rise and then kind of plateau as the cloud cover rolls in, and that's where we expect temperatures to peak in the mid 60s up and down the Sacramento and San Joaquin Valley, and you'll see the foothills, those temperatures into the 50s, mid 40s as you get up into the Sierra. So as we've been saying, tomorrow is the pick of the weekend when it comes to outdoor activities, because Sunday you'll more than likely be running into some showers, or if you're high enough in elevation, some of that snowfall. And we'll hold on to that wet forecast going into Monday, kind of dwindling down on Tuesday, and you'll see on our 7-day for Wednesday, we've updated that to reflect the first alert action day to be removed from Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday, we start to eventually get into a warmer trend. So still unsettled, just not as much of an impact this week ahead.